The main riff for Seven Nation Army by White Stripes is a fantastic first riff to learn on your guitar. It's played entirely on one string and it's really easy to play. This riff is played entirely on the A string, that 5th string there. I'm going to start at the 7th fret of the A string. If you've got dots on your guitar, it will be the 3rd dot along. If not, you can just count up until you get to the 7th fret. I'm going to play this note twice. Now, don't forget to put your finger as close to that metal fret as possible to get the nicest sounding note. Now I'm going to grab the 10th fret next and back to 7. I like to use my pinky finger to grab the 10th fret there, but you can use your first finger if you want to, just to get started. Going to go down to 5, 3, 2. Really slowly. There is a slight variation to this riff. It starts off the same, 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3. But instead of going down to 2 here, we come back up to 5, then back down to 3 and 2. So from the 3, 5, 3, 2. So 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. So both riffs slowly back to back sound like this. If you want to progress really quickly on guitar, you're going to need to know how to practice effectively. So check out this video here to learn how to do that. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.